parking lot. Kush got me retarded, so I'm posted in the handicap parking spot. Yeah, we like to spark a lot. Yeah, got bitches smoking rocks. Yeah, I need an Amish bitch to suck me like a fucking thot.
Let's get it started. We the young and gnarly, fucking heartless. Gucci garments cost a fortune. Do 'em on the carpet. I smoke a harvest with your lady right in my apartment. I make her kiss my weed before she spark it. Hey.
Pass the joint like I'm passing my hoes. Got an abundance of those for my friends and my foes. Freaky bitch licking toes. Cocaine drip off her nose. Wild bitch for the night. I wrap my dick like a hose.
I count my rolls like I'm counting sheep. And mountain hoes for 1,000 weeks. Smoking blunts and pounding cheeks. I lost my mind, but then I found some freaks. Been on the grind, I ain't found no sleep. Surrounded by a cloud of weed.